Greetings, and welcome to a topic that touches the hearts of many, the fear of failure in children. Have you ever pondered why so many children are shackled by this overwhelming fear? Today we dive into the depths of this issue, offering 6 proven strategies to help your child break free from the chains of fear and embrace the path to success. Firstly, let's address the need to change our attitude about failing. Instead of viewing mistakes as setbacks, we should respond to them positively, using them as stepping stones on the journey to success. It's crucial to encourage children to celebrate the effort they put into tasks and learn from their failures rather than dwelling on them. Secondly, emphasizing effort over ability plays a significant role in quelling the fear of failure. Too often, praise is reserved for innate ability, sidelining the importance of hard work. By focusing on the learning process rather than the outcome, we foster resilience and a growth mindset in children. The third strategy revolves around unconditional love. It's essential for children to know that their worth isn't tied to their achievements, and that your love for them remains steadfast regardless of their successes or failures. Moving forth, the worst-case scenario exercise is a powerful tool. This involves identifying potential unfavorable outcomes and discussing ways to prevent and recover from them. It's a practical approach that prepares children to handle failure, should it occur. Fifthly, helping children focus on solutions rather than dwelling on their failures can significantly reduce their fear. This involves discussing the actions they took, the consequences and preventive measures for the future. Lastly, open conversations about success and failure can demystify these concepts for children. Explain the learning process and the often hidden benefits of failure. Analogies like the iceberg can be useful to illustrate that success is often the tip visible above the water, while the bulk beneath represents the unseen failures and hard work. In conclusion, helping children overcome their fear of failure involves changing our attitudes towards failure, emphasizing effort over ability, demonstrating unconditional love, conducting the worst-case scenario exercise, focusing on solutions, and having open conversations about success and failure. Remember, every stumble is a part of the journey, and every journey is unique. So let's embrace the stumbles, celebrate the effort, and nurture resilience in our children. If you have any other topics in mind that you would like us to discuss, feel free to drop a comment or reach out to us at +92 347 059 8135. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.